Actually, Coach, one of the things that I realize going through all of these things is that awareness is not enough. It's important to have clarity after and then taking action.
Welcome to Season 3, Episode 1 of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, Dr. June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. Now, in this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best in what she does. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight you are about to meet someone who proves that transformation is not about age. It is about courage, commitment, and the decision to rise above your limitations. At a young age, while many are still searching for direction, this remarkable leader has already stepped into multiple roles with excellence. She is a passionate entrepreneur, the CEO of Manang Aneng Foods Corporation, and a powerful NLP, timeline therapy, hypnotherapy, master practitioner, and master coach dedicated to helping individuals break through fears, rebuild confidence, and unlock the power of their own minds. Through her leadership in business and coaching, she demonstrates that success is not only built in boardrooms, but also in the lives we help transform. She has guided many individuals to rediscover their strength, gain clarity, and take bold action toward the future they truly deserve. Her message is simple yet powerful. Your past does not define your future. Your decisions today do. Please join me in giving a warm and powerful welcome to an inspiring entrepreneur, transformational leader, and advocate for the next generation of empowered achievers. Let's all welcome Coach Prima Donna Guevara. How's business so far, Coach? Kamusta?
Sobrang great, Coach, kasi again, redirection with everything. Also, naka-ano na, kasi before sobrang chaotic ng, alam mo yun, sobrang tawag dito, parang ano, Coach, eh. Eto, we want this and
Yeah.
that, and whatever. Pero since now that we have clarity kung saan kami pupunta, mas naging motivated, hindi lang motivated, Coach, talagang purposeful and intentional in terms of the kung saan man pupunta yung business ngayon, Coach.
I agree, no? It's important talaga to have clarity just like for me as well, no? Ang dami
Yes,
ring
Coach.
challenges, 'di ba? Hindi naman mawawala yung challenges natin, coach, but at the end of the day, we get to be reminded about our purpose, no? For what purpose are we doing this? Madadala na lang ba tayo sa mga problema natin? But because we know what we want, so regardless of what happens, is that we just push forward, Coach
Yeah.
Pino.
Actually, Coach, one of the things that I realize going through all of these things is that awareness is not enough. It's important to have clarity after and then taking action. It's better, Coach, talaga kung if we are seeking for clarity ourselves kasi sometimes we know that there's something wrong and not effective in our lives and yet hindi natin hindi tayo clear sa kung ano yung mga dapat baguhin, mga ganun, Coach.
'Di ba parang we use it as a crutch, eh, yung parang excuse lang, eh, kasi ganito na ako, alam ko na ganito ako, alam ko may problema ako, but are you doing something about it? Are you being at cause, 'di ba? Are
Yep.
you kumbaga finding ways, 'no? That's why I always tell you na you still keep on finding ways. Don't
Yes.
settle for NLP alone or whatever modalities. Maghanap tayo ng paraan to kumbaga draw out the best version in ourselves, coach.
Mhm.
For before we formally start, let me honor you, coach, no? Thank you for saying yes to this evening. And okay lang ba if we start it with a
Yes, yes,
prayer,
Coach.
coach? Let us remember that we're in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord, I'm so thankful and grateful for this opportunity to have Coach Prima as our guest. Thank you for using her life to inspire more people. Lord, grant her the grace, the blessings, and protect her business, protect her family. Be there always for her, And Lord, thank you for this opportunity to worship you and also to say thank you to you, Lord. This we ask in your name. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Coach, can you take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life? Ano yung breaking point or challenge or wall that you were facing during that time before ka nag-enroll sa program natin?
Well, thank you for that question, Coach. Actually, I remembered the time na when I was 25 and I was so lost, I don't know what to do. I mean, parang feeling ko ano siya, Coach, quarter life crisis.
Mm.
And at that point, I don't believe in anything really. I believe na we're just going to live for us to die. And that life has no meaning. So, I lived my life that way na wala lang, basta mangyari yung mangyari today and then tomorrow, ganun na naman up until I retire and one day I'll die. And hindi siya intentional, coach. Kumbaga, I'm just living day by day, realizing na eto na lang ba yun?
Mm.
Those are the questions that are coming in my mind na hanggang dito na lang ba? Hanggang eto na lang ba ako? So, yeah, that was the deepest moment in my life na before ko ma-figure out lahat and before ako mag-connect with other people, knowing all these things, ang dami ko pa palang hindi alam, coach. It's like, I can say 99%, 1% lang yung mga bagay na alam ko and yet I haven't explored enough for me to know the 99% more.
Ang galing, no? 99%. We only know 1%, no? Akala natin graduated tayo sa college. We have all those experiences. By the way, coach, how young are you right now?
I'm 28, coach.
28, so that was 3 years
3 years.
ago.
Yeah,
3 years
3 years
ago,
ago.
no? So, alam mo ba, that was also the time that I was asking myself. I was around 27 naman nung time na
Mm.
yon, that I was also asking myself na hanggang dito na lang ba? Am I going to be like this for the rest of my life? No, there was nothing, kumbaga no growth already in my
Yeah.
life during that
And
time, coach.
don't get me wrong, coach. Kasi we already have our business.
Mm-mm.
It's growing. It's operational. But the thing here is, it, outside it's very, it's very okay, successful. Pero inside I felt really empty. And to just do that, na magtatrabaho, kikita ng pera, and then at the end of the day, uuwi ka, parang, okay, what's next?
Yeah. The what's next talaga. Now, coach, what were the thoughts running through your mind at that time and what made you realize na merong kailangan na magbago sa buhay mo?
Oh, I really felt I was lost, coach. I wasn't lost in life kasi I know that life can offer a lot of things eh.
Mm.
But I was lost in myself. I don't know what to believe anymore. Kumbaga, again, the questions popping are, is this it? Is this what life is? Bakit parang ang dami ko nang ginawa pero hindi pa rin enough? Ano ba yung kailangan ko pang i-offer or ano pa ba yung hindi ko nalalaman na dapat kong malaman? So those were the questions that keep running on my mind every day, every night.
Alam mo, at 25 years old, hindi lang ikaw yung ganyan yung pinagdadaanan, coach, eh. And I believe that those who are going to watch this, no, right now at 25 years old or at 28 years old, they feel so lost. They feel na parang end of the world na at that
Yeah.
at that age, di ba?
Yes,
That
coach.
parang nakakapagod din eh if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have clarity, coach. And I believe that this session, no, will really tap them. Kumbaga makaka-resonate sila sa coach, because they are also in that space right now. They're looking for answers and they have you to guide them to move forward, coach.
And just want to also connect to them, coach. Kasi when I was in college, all I thought that after college, after passing the board exams, okay na. Akala ko magiging successful na ako. But really not knowing what success is. Ano ba yung success? So after that, even with my friends right now, coach, they're having the same problem. They passed the board exams. They're doctors, even lawyers, and yet if I'm going to ask them who they really are, they don't even know the answer.
Oh, ang galing, no? That's a big awakening, coach, for your generation right now, because I think all of us, regardless the age, will really pass through that stage, no? And what's amazing is that merong pwedeng gawin. Na
Yeah.
meron tayong puwedeng magagawa, no? We
Yes.
don't need to be stuck in that limbo, 'di ba? For how many years of our life, wasting 10, 20 years of our lives, minsan 40 years of our life being in that limbo na everyday na lang, "Am I gonna be like this?" No? Parang meron bang, is there more to life than kumbaga pera lang, or is this the success that I've been asking for, right? And it's so amazing, Coach, that, you've shared that, and I honor you for sharing that, Coach Prima. Now, how did you first hear about NLP, Coach, or neuro-linguistic programming, and what made you take the leap, no, in kumbaga learning NLP,
Yeah.
especially in our school?
Yes, coach. I remember this coach then na nakilala ko from a seminar, and she was showing her credentials, and I saw an NLP word. So sabi ko, or the letters NLP. Sabi ko, ano ibig sabihin ng NLP, and why are they taking certifications,
Mm,
at bakit nakakatulong yun sa pagko-coach nila? So then I researched and sa Facebook eventually, and then I found you, coach. I found you, okay, may mga nagti-train pala ng NLP. So, I get to know you, coach, and of course, nagkaroon tayo ng discovery session.
mm.
And then, and little did I know na yun na pala yung magiging start sa akin naman ng huge, huge change. And not just someone na makaka-receive ng learning, but also the one to be, also be the one to give the learnings to others.
Galing, no? Give the learnings to others. That has been, 'di ba, our driving force in our community, Coach, no? That, share the learning, share the transformation, be the change, right? Be the change. Kasi we first change ourselves, no? Focus muna tayo sa
Yeah.
sarili natin, figure out
Yes.
what need to figure out. Then after that, 'di ba, ikaw mismo parang, 'di ba, parang, bakit nag-level up yung buhay ko? And you want others to also experience the change that we've experienced, Coach, no? The abundance, I think the peace of mind, eh.
Yep.
Yan talaga, no? Coach, ano yung specific NLP tool or technique that immediately shifted your perspective nung natutunan mo?
Um, I remember our session, coach, about timeline therapy, and there's, although I already released some, it's important to know na that's not just a one-time event na kailangan mong, I'm done with timeline na eh. I think it's a tool that you can really really help you whenever that in the future or now, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, to release everything na napagdaanan mo na naman before. And also not realizing na, okay, dumaan ka na naman pala sa ganung proseso. So, like for me, also realizing na I am not my past. Kasi going back through timeline therapy, those are just events. I realize na those are just events, and kung ano man yung internal representation ko, that's what really matters. And at the same time, coach, how do I perceive things now and how do I see things? Unlike before na puro negative, I'm the victim. Now I'm my own superhero, and NLP really helped me to realize na, hey, you don't need to be a victim anymore, because now you are responsible and you can change your life by changing your mind.
Wow, ang galing, no? That's coming from a 28-year-old, ha? That's,
Yes.
so amazing, no? Hearing from you, Coach Prima. Now, Coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano yung parang feeling nung nag-breakthrough ka?
Wow. I vividly remember, coach, I was in a room, and actually it was a seminar, and the coach there, sabi niya, I'm gonna play a song. And with just one song, coach, I had an awakening. I the song is called You Say
Mm.
by Lauren, and it was a Christian song, coach, and it spoke to me. That time I didn't realize that something inside me is crying and wanting this help na through a song lang din pala, coach. And hindi siya grande. It was very personal. Ako tumitingin lang ako sa mga katabi ko, pero they didn't know that I'm already breaking through a point na kailangan ko na talagang mag next level. Hindi rin siya naging fireworks, hindi siya it was just peace that I felt. And for the first time, hindi ako nagalit. Hindi ako natakot at hindi ako nangamba o naghahabol. Because I felt like I was home.
Yeah,
That was the breakthrough moment, coach.
the feeling of being at home talaga, coach, no?
Yes.
I agree with you. I also remember my breakthrough in 2019. It was also one of my mentors then, no? And it was me just closing my eyes and then hindi ko na-expect na grabe ako pala isa sa pinakagrabe umiyak doon, no? Akala mo lahat kami iyak pero it really hit us in a different way pag I think if it's time already, no? Pag handa na tayo, it will really
Yeah.
come.
Yeah.
Now, coach, after experiencing your own transformation, ano yung mga pagbabago na napansin mo sa personal life mo or professional life?
First of all, coach, since I was 22 in the height of the pandemic, tumaba ako at hindi ko gusto talaga yung sarili ko. I wasn't confident. So, after developing myself and through NLP, eto na, na I lost 20 something kilos. So I was 75 before, coach, and now I'm just on my 50s. And I'm just so proud na nalagpasan ko yung moment. Akala ko kasi I'll be just that
Yeah,
for the next years of my life up until senior citizen na ganyan. But then I didn't accept it. So at the same time, coach, I gained a lot of confidence. Not just because I lost weight, but I realized na I kept telling myself pala na I'm shy. People will say to me na, oh, yang si Prima, shy yan. And then even my mother, I was conditioned na maging shy all my life. And that's what I believed. Yung thought na yon, sabi ko, "Okay, fine. Sige, if you really see me that way, then maybe I'm shy." So, ay pinanindigan ko. But also, knowing deep inside that I am not, that I want to be confident. So, I really worked hard on myself. And yun, until it helped me to develop more the business, not just the business, but also helping our employees. Because I couldn't even imagine how am I going to help them if sobrang mahiyain ako, coach.
I
Yeah,
agree.
so yeah, everything improved. Even the relationship with family, just because I know how to open up now and to say things that I needed to say or need to say, mas nagkakaroon ng deep relationship and understanding with each other.
I agree. I feel that that has also been my journey, Coach Prima, no? The moment that we work on ourselves and discover ourselves, hindi lang kasi sa pera eh. It's not only
Yeah.
the money yung ano eh, the basis of the transformation for me eh. No, it's really more on the relationships, right? That we get
Yep.
to build better relationships with our family, sa parents ko, sa mother ko, no? And my siblings, sa wife ko mismo and my children. And also sa staff ko rin, no? Just like you, sa staff ko rin. Kumbaga, before and after, I could tell who I was before na boss eh. And then right now, as a boss, it's a completely, kumbaga, sobrang iba na. Mas pasensyoso na ako ngayon kung
Yan.
yung ano, hindi na
Yeah.
yung, kumbaga, terror na boss.
Yes, coach. Right, right.
How has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you?
Well, the experience, coach, ito yung hindi makukuha sa akin ng iba eh. And that story, it's very unique. And I can relate myself to those people who are struggling now na if you're just going to embrace who you truly are, then maybe you will remember that you are a beautiful creation of God. And that kung ano man nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, it's not happening to you, but it's happening through you. And these are the ano coach wisdom that I've been sharing not just to our employees but to my friends, to a stranger, someone that I just met. Again, hindi ko to magigain, coach, if I did not go through
Yeah.
it myself. So, I think in those ways na or ikwento mo lang kung anong pinanggalingan mo, I feel like that's already an inspiration for others.
Yeah, I agree, coach. And that's the seed, no? The seed of kumbaga change for them. I always believe in that. That's why sinasabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba, huwag kayong mahiya na ikwento yung buhay niyo because
Yeah.
you never know, the next person that you might meet might be the person that you will change their life, right? And baka sinabi lang isa, "Uy, alam mo, nakausap ko lang si Coach Primo before, nagkape lang kami." Then iba na yung perspective niya. And I always believe, Coach, that the journey that we had before, yung mga pinagdaanan natin, no matter how hurtful, no, or kumbaga kung pwede lang kalimutan na natin yung mga pinagdaanan natin, we would want to do that, no? But it had to happen to prepare us for our mission, no? And
Yes.
I believe that kung hindi rin nangyayari kasi yun, Coach, hindi rin tayo aabot sa sitwasyon natin at this point right now, Coach, no?
Right, coach. And also agree, again, hurt people will eventually hurt people, but those who are healed can help someone be healed as well. So,
I agree. I agree. That's why we need to have more of us eh. Kasi tama na yung
yes.
hurting other people din eh. Kasi we need goodness. We need a lot of goodness right now, especially with what's happening. We need to also guide the next generation moving forward, Coach.
Yes.
Now, Coach, if you could go back no and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling, ano yung sasabihin mo kay Prima nung time na yun?
I remember, coach, again, there has been a lot of questions regarding who I truly am. And I would just say to that version of me that remember who you are. That phrase, remember who you are, has a lot more meaning than the phrase. So I'm gonna deep dive into that. Okay, how am I going to remember who I truly am? And so with that question, we'll start an action. Like for example, coach, that's how na magi-start na ako na mag-seek for me to understand. It's even biblical, coach, 'di ba? So yeah, if I'm just gonna deep dive in that question to remember who I truly am, I wasn't lost. I just need to remember.
Alam mo, Coach, it's so amazing that you shared that now because last Sunday we did a goal setting. I attended a goal setting seminar. And one of the coaches, he also shared that, no? Sabi niya, at the end of the day, alam na natin kung sino tayo nung mga bata pa tayo.
Yeah.
No, it's not just discovering, it's really remembering eh. Because
Yes.
we were already destined, kumbaga, for our path, no? Yung problema lang is that ang dami kasi nangyari sa buhay natin, kaya daming distractions and all those things. But at the end of the day daw, sabi niya, we know who we are and
Yep.
we know already what we are meant to do. We just have to remember.
Yes.
And it's so amazing kasi just like what you shared, looking back, I could already hear that voice eh, when I was young, na parang, June, meron kang kailangan gawin, no? Pero siyempre, alam mo naman, life happened, no?
Yep.
YOLO, and
Yes.
gusto rin natin mag-enjoy sa buhay, no? But it's just a reminder. Thank you for reminding us, Coach Prima, that remembering who we are, no? It's just there. We just have to tap into that.
Yes, coach. And of course, it's a really personal journey na maalala talaga kung sino ako. Kasi again, I've been wondering, I've been so lost. And yeah, I just need to connect to my inner self
Yes.
and connect to the source in order for me to achieve what I have to achieve in this lifetime.
Oh, amazing, amazing, Coach Prima, no? Imagine from someone who was, kumbaga, no direction, who didn't know what you wanted before. Is this the life that you're going to live, right? You discovered and you showed us that it's possible to rewrite our stories pala, Coach Prima. And ano yung key? No? Awareness, then taking action
Yep.
talaga. No, the more that you know about yourself, no, it's not enough na sabi mo kanina, it's not enough na, na kilala mo lang yung sarili mo, alam mo yung kailangan gawin, but you need to also take action and hanapan mo ng paraan na tulungan mo yung sarili mo.
Yes, coach. Also, coach, I would like to add, no, faith work or faith is okay, but again, it's biblical that faith without action is dead. And
Yes.
at the same time, coach, it's not just about faith work na maniwala ka lang and do manifestations or whatever, but you also really need to do the field work.
I agree. I agree, Coach. Remember the five keys to success, right?
Yes, coach.
Diba? Focus on what you want. Know your outcome, no? Then after that, take action. Have
Yes,
sensory acuity.
yes, yes,
Develop
yes.
behavioral flexibility. So, yung faith nasa number one lang. No?
Yep.
So kulang pa rin yung apat. And I believe faith without works is dead. I always tell that to people. No? That's why no matter how faithful, di ba? Kasi if you have faith, then definitely you have to work for the faith as well. No? You have to really prove that you have faith as well. Paano mo masasabi sa akin, kumbaga, na may faith ka?
Mhm.
That's I learned that through tithing, coach eh. Alam mo,
Mhm.
I'm a Catholic and syempre palaging sinasabi the Lord loves a cheerful giver daw, no?
Yes.
And kung piso lang yung binibigay natin sa Panginoon, right? Parang we're shortchanging the Lord and the universe. And when I learned how to give 10% of what I have, syempre with love, no? Kasi cheerful giver nga eh.
Yep.
No,
Yep.
despite the challenges that we are experiencing, but we put our faith. I think that's how I take action. No? It's how I show my faith moving forward. Now, coach, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be and why?
That's a very good question, Coach. Because again, babalik lang din ako sa kanina about remembering. I don't need to fix myself, Coach. I just need to heal myself and remember who I truly am. I think that's the summary of it all, Coach. Again, just remembering and not trying to fix because I'm not broken. I just need to heal and be at peace with whatever man kung anong mangyari sa buhay ko.
I agree. And that's where timeline therapy comes in, no?
Yes,
Kasi
Coach.
it really, kumbaga, removes the distraction,
Yes.
right? And all those negative emotions, akala natin atin, pero hindi pala deep down inside that we're a completely different individual, no? Hindi pala yung mga past natin or even those lifetimes or napasa sa atin, no? It was just dictating because it was just distracting us from who we are talaga.
Right.
And that's the importance why kailangan may tools talaga tayo to help ourselves and at the same time help others na move forward in their life.
Right,
Now, coach, what's one powerful belief now? What's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP?
Actually, Coach, number one is learning how to be present. And with presence, there's responsibility. So responsibility is power for me. Again, responsibility came from the words responsibility for you to respond kung ano man nangyayari sa'yo, not to react because we keep reacting even before transformation, we just react and react. So right now, I just want to embrace responsibility and um, have that as a power and also a tool for us to really move forward with our lives ng mas okay, Coach.
For anyone listening who feels stuck right now, coach, ano yung message mo sa kanila?
The message, Coach, is that you are not stuck. You are just in an autopilot, and you just need to reprogram yourself because you've been programmed for the longest time. I know there's a lot of things that you had to believe in order for you to survive, but again, you have the power to change, and you just need to reprogram you.
Ang galing, no? Reprogram you, no? Because yun nga tayo parang sa mga talks ko I always ask this, no? Are you in autopilot eh? That's
Yeah.
one of the talks that I give kasi akala natin we're living our life, but in reality, we're not really living our lives. We're
Yes.
living according sa programs na nakuha natin, no?
Right,
When we were
Coach.
younger or even before that, when we were even, kumbaga, conceived, may mga programs na install sa atin. And it's so amazing din kasi, Coach, that just like what you shared, we can break through the programs. We can reprogram. We
Yep.
can have powerful programs installed in us. And it's so amazing kasi at 28 years old, coach, yung ma-achieve mo, let's say 10 years down the
Yes,
line,
Coach.
coach. No? Ito yung nga yung gusto ko na dapat mas maraming, kumbaga, tao na will be open to learning. But
Yes,
I
Coach.
believe din kasi coach na NLP is not for everyone eh. No? Hindi
Mhm.
pa may mga perfect ano rin tayo, eh, perfect kumbaga panahon kung kailan talaga
Right.
nag-open tayo.
Yes, Coach. I also agree to that, Coach. But then again, they can just come back, and if they need help and if they will need support, again, these are just all available. Most especially with you, Coach. Again, I gained a lot of insights in terms of how to do NLP and how to help other people transform themselves. Also, giving them the responsibility. It's not ours.
Exactly.
It's not our duty to save them, but realizing that they need to do it themselves. So that's one thing, coach, na talagang natutunan ko sa inyo. No, you need that person needs to do it, these things, para sa sarili nila talaga, coach.
I agree. And yung maganda sa atin is that we have tools, no, to help them see that. No, kasi at the end of the day, hindi naman pwede na we give up on people, especially those na mahal natin sa buhay, right? Yung
Yes.
mga family natin, yung mga friends natin. Kasi in coaching, sila yung pinaka-resistant din. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng maging kliyente. But we need to do whatever it takes, right?
Yes, yes,
And did you
yes.
know that because of NLP tools, coach, my mother, no? Imagine, ano na, ilang years na ako nag-NLP and I have this 2-day program that I've been inviting her to join. And after 3 years, she finally said yes. And
Wow.
she joined last year. And when she joined last year, ang dami talagang, kumbaga, purging din, no? She was also purged, no? Kasi she had to release a lot of things in her life. But imagine, she was able to, kumbaga, forgive what she needed to forgive, coach, and fix what she needed to fix. So imagine kung wala tayong mga tools, hindi natin alam paano sila tulungan, dasal na lang na dasal, sayang, sayang, sayang yung opportunity.
Yes, coach, you're so right.
Now it's your turn, everyone. What's your breakthrough moment waiting to happen? Now, if you have that, share your thoughts with us. Share it in our comment and this is your time, Coach Prima. So I'll give it to you, Coach. Tell us something about what you're doing right now. Share with us your, kumbaga, saan kanila mahahanap, ano yung mga programs that you're offering right now, or where they can connect with you. And social media, no, but where they can connect, ano yung mga courses or events, or even your business, Coach. No? This is your time to, kumbaga, share what you're doing as well. And also para ma-promote din natin.
Yeah. So, hi everyone, good day. So, I'm Prima Donna Guevara and I am an entrepreneur. I am the CEO of Manang Aning Foods Corporation. It's a distribution company. And for anyone who's interested na magkaroon ng sarili ng negosyo in terms of distribution ng fish and meat, we can definitely help you with that. And of course, you can also like and follow my Facebook page, my TikTok, and at the same time Instagram. You can find NLP stuff there. And if you are inspired, let me know, message me, and whatever support that you need, I may be able to give it. So yeah, that will be it, coach. But thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to share and give value to these wonderful people.
Well, thank you for that, Coach Prima. No? And all of you watching and listening to this, everyone, connect with Coach Prima, especially those, kumbaga, mga ka-generation ni Coach Prima. If you need guidance, everyone, Coach Prima is there for you. And I'm so thankful and grateful, Coach, for all the insights that you've shared with us. No? Ito yung palaging sinasabi ko when we do the Unstoppable You. Ako din yung nako-coach, no? Nako-coach nyo ako, no? This is your moment kasi, and hearing all those insights that you've shared, parang, uy, hindi ko alam yun ah. Parang, I can use it like that then pala, no? So, that's so amazing, coach. Especially remembering, no?
Correct.
Remembering is such an amazing word that you shared because I've recently encountered it ng Sunday, coach. And ang galing din ng sinabi ng coach na that nandyan na pala yung mission natin and
Yeah.
purpose or the things that we are, kumbaga, destined to do. We just have to remember. We just need
Yes.
to remember who we are because remembering who we are, I always believe, coach, that it's always for the best. It's always for the better. Kumbaga, draw out the goodness in us, coach, and also use our lives for other people, Coach Prima. Now, one of the biggest challenges I see in organizations today isn't skill or intelligence, it's mental overload. Leaders are burnt out, emotionally reactive, repeating the same decisions, and under pressure, they fall back to old patterns. This silently affects productivity, leadership effectiveness, communication, and even company culture. Most companies invest heavily in skills training. Very few invest in removing the internal mental and emotional blocks that silently sabotage performance. That's where I come in. I help organizations and individuals improve performance by addressing the part most companies and individuals ignore: the mental and emotional patterns that silently affect decision making leadership, and execution. Using evidence-based NLP and timeline therapy frameworks, I help leaders and teams eliminate hidden mental blocks, regulate stress and emotions under pressure, and reprogram their mindsets for clearer decisions, stronger accountability, and faster goal execution. The result is improved leadership effectiveness, reduced burnout, better communication, and higher overall performance without adding more workload and complexity. How much do you think will that add to your bottom line when your leaders and you yourself and teams are operating at your fullest capacity? For example, many high-performing executives are still unconsciously driven by past stress, pressures, or limiting decisions that affect how they lead today. I help them reset their mental and emotional operating system. So instead of reacting, overworking, or repeating the same problems, they lead with clarity, emotional control, and strategic focus. Companies invest in us when they want leaders who perform consistently under pressure and teams that execute without emotional drag. Traditional trainings adds knowledge. I remove internal resistance so everything you've already trained actually works. I help organization improve performance by fixing the hidden mental and emotional patterns that affect decision making and execution. Using NLP and timeline therapy, I help leaders stay clear, composed, and focused under pressure. So they make better decisions, reduce burnout, and execute goals faster without adding more workload. Once again, I'm Dr. June Acevedo, Mindset Mastery and Transformational Leadership Coach, and a certified Neurolinguistic Programming Master Trainer. Now, do you want to reprogram your mindset for unstoppable success? DM me, transform, and let's chat. Let me help you transform your life.